Hello and welcome to another episode of Marie's Creative Space. Today I have a double project and like always beautiful and very easy to create. I'm showing you the red apple color from Folk Art and one of the houses that I bought from Dollar Tree. Also I use popsicle sticks and I cut them in 3 pieces and I paint them using the same apple red color from Folk Art. Apple red. That's the color, apple red. A real pretty red color. Also, I'm going to be using some of these wood cubes and I painted already using some white from apple barrel. And I'm going to be using my pencil to write the numbers, and in top of my pencil I'm going to be applying the color of gold using one of these Dollar Tree paint pens. And I'm going to be the same in the 25 pieces. The whole month, you guys. The way that I'm going to be placing the numbers in the little house is going to be not using hot glue. I'm going to be using a double-sided tape that also I bought in Dollar Tree. Almost everything in this video is from Dollar Tree. You just remove one of the side that is outside, and just stick the piece inside the little house. You can notice where I glue the popsicle sticks, like doing like little shelf. You don't see me doing it in the video, but that's all I did. And I use the same little cubes to give it support in the bottom. I use 6 of them. There you have it. And they don't go nowhere, people. They are real stick over there. And like you see, this was a past project from fall, so I decided to leave it like a double side, you know. This bow I created before I start the video, and I used 2 ribbons from Dollar Tree also. One in white and the other one in red, and they gorgeous. And some berries in the middle. This is another sign from Dollar Tree, and I use the same paint, white from apple barrel, just for the top. But you're going to see at the end of the video that I decide to paint the whole base, because I decide to create a decal with my Cricut. So I decide to paint the whole piece in the color of white. And there you have it. So cute. Love it. So this is a nice amount of mini bowls that I create using the same ribbons that I use in the first project, and that's a foam in the form of a tree that I bought also in Dollar Tree. And I'm going to cover the whole piece of foam using the balls, and I'm not using glue, I'm using pins to place all of them. And I'm going to be using these fillers to cover all the empty spaces that the balls leave in the piece of foam. I think that was a good idea using the fillers, because the color of gold and red go together with the whole project. I mean, that's what I think. What you think, guys? I think it's the cutest thing. There you have it. So this is a bird that I have from last spring, and I decide to glue it in the top of the tree using my hot glue, and I'm going to be painting the little uh pike, that's how you say it? Beak, I'm sorry. With the color of gold, because it look kind of pink, so it doesn't go with the rest of the project. So that's what you guys kind of see me right here. I'm sorry that I'm out of view, but that's all I'm doing, painting the little big. And here you have it before that I paint the bottom completely in white. Just like that, it looks beautiful. So you're going to see in a little bit here when I apply the decor. Nice. I hope you guys enjoy it and like it and share. I'm really grateful that you are watching my video and joining me today. And here you see me applying the decor, and it say, let's begin the countdown. And just like that, you have this beautiful, I mean, you can